Ayo, what's up? In today's video I'm gonna show you two really cool and aesthetic cards to give on any occasion or event. So as the day I made this DIY, it was my sister's birthday. The materials are scrap papers, card paper and drawing tools. The first thing I did was to cut the card as I desired. Then I folded both the sides into the middle so it would give the card the door vibe. This part can be optional, but I didn't want it to leave the middle blank, so I painted it. Oh, and I folded the flaps back so they won't get any paint on it. I stick the scrap paper at the flaps because I didn't want it to leave it flat. Again. Also, I didn't know what to do with the back, so I just stick the whole back with scrap brown paper. Also added some deco at the door. And boom, you can write whatever your message is and you're done. Now on to the next card. For this you will need 3 square cards. In this you will have to fold all the 3 papers 2 times, 1 time horizontally and other vertically. Now this is the confusing part. Fold the 2 corners inwards as you can see. Do this with all the cards and then stick them, but wait, you folded all of them the same way, but turn one of it and stick it on top of the other 2 cards. IDK if you understood it, so I'm sorry. You can decorate it however you want, but I tore some of my old novels and stuck them on. The quality sucked here. Now you can write your message or quote. I wrote a quote because I'm gonna use this in my journal. And you're done. I hope you understood everything that happened in this video. Okay, bye.